So for the continuation of our discussion on plane areas and curves, so we have example number 1. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 9 minus x squared and the x-axis. So again, the first thing that you have to do is to sketch the curve. Okay, so you have to do your table of values, like your x and your y, okay? So you have to do table of values, x and y values. Ganyan. And then, you have to choose what type of strip you will use. It's either horizontal or vertical strip. So, by the way, after you sketch the graph, the curve, this is the face. So, yan yung mukha niya, yan dapat yung outcome ng sketch ninyo. And then, you have to, tawag dito? Choose the strip. So first, let's do the horizontal strip. Okay, so dito, let's use first the horizontal strip. Okay, so determine the limits of the strip. So, dapat, alam mo yung limits ng strip mo. So, dito sa taas, makikita mo, ito yung given natin na curve. Y is equal to 9 minus x squared. So, if we will get the value of x, okay, so you just have to rearrange the function. Now, it will become y squared is equal to negative y plus 9. Okay, so what you will do is you factor the negative, then you can get your parabola, which is yung vertex niya is 0 to 9. Okay? Actually, makikita mo naman yan if you will do the x and y eh. Okay, if you will do the x and y, it will give you this curve and then you will know na, okay, this is the highest point. Ito yung highest point niya. Our x is 0. When x is 0, then y is 9. So that's your highest point. Tapos sabi naman dito, bounded siya and the x-axis. So x-axis ito. Okay? So, of course, if mag-shade ka, bale, ito lahat, ito yung area na kukunin mo. Because this is the area bounded by y is equal to 9 minus x squared and your x-axis. Okay? Then, you have to identify your limits. Okay? The limit of the strip. So, after mo ito na sketch, you have to choose what strip. So, dito, horizontal strip. So, if you decide na horizontal strip yung gagamitin, you have to draw this one. Yan. So, i-draw mo talaga yung strip. Okay? I-draw mo yung strip na ganyan yung mukha. Ito. Yan. You draw the strip. Then, you identify the points. Okay? So, if x is 0, y is 9, and dito naman 0, 0. Okay? 0, 0 yan kasi nasa x-axis naman na tayo. Okay? Then, we use now the formula. For horizontal strip, take note, this is our formula. For horizontal strip, a is equal to the integral of x right minus x left dy, limits from y1, y2. So, as you can see above, yung given function natin is in terms of y. Y is equal to, ang given function is y is equal to 9 minus x squared. But dito, dapat x. Okay, yung makuha natin. So, that's why dito, ito siya, tinranspose na natin in terms of x. Okay, tinranspose na natin siya in terms of x. So, where y is 0, dito yung limits niyo, y is 0 and y is 9. Because dito naman sa area bounded, of course, itong sabi ko sa inyo kanina, 0, 0. So, this one is x, this one is y. So, yung lower limit mo, okay, Tapos, yung upper limit mo. So, this is your lower limit 0. This is your upper limit. That's your x2 and your y2. Okay? So, meron ka ng limit. Tapos, pero take note na sabi, di ba, pag horizontal, right minus left, yung nakalagay. So, sabi, right minus left. Pero kung if you will look at the graph, kasi nakaganyan siya, if i-right mo siya din, dito yung right minus left, as you can see, same lang naman sila na function. So, hindi mo pwedeng subtract ang same function or else it will become 0. So, if this is your, balik tayo sa taas to have a good look. For example, same lang pala. So, let's say for example, ito, I will draw it again na lang dito. This is my graph. Diba? This is the point. Ayan. Then it says right minus left. If I will subtract my right, what is the right? Ito. This is my XR. And my left, ito, XL. If yun po yung gagawin ninyo, it will give you no value. Bakit? Because this curve, same lang po yan ng function. Only one function, which is yung given na 9 minus x squared. So, ang gagawin mo is x left, you have to divide it to 2 and just multiply it. So, kaya nung dito, you have here times 2. Okay, because, as you can see here, identical naman itong right side and left side. So, this one, area, is equal to this area. Kung anong value dito, yun din yung value dyan. So, you take this one as a representative. This one, a representative. Tapos, multiply mo lang ng 2. Okay, ito, multiply mo lang ng 2. Ganyan. Okay, so multiply mo lang ng 2. So, x right, what is x right? This, function, given function, which is si 9 minus y raised to 1/2. Diba sa taas, we already have x squared to be equal to 9 minus y. Alin doon? Okay, ito. So, ito siya, no? So, if you take the square root to get the value of x, that's why you have here 9 minus y. Okay, dito, makikita nyo 9 minus y. Ito siya. Okay, 9 minus y. So, that's my 9 minus y. Kaya din po, raised to 1/2 kasi square root. Tapos, yung x left mo will be this one. So, this is 0. Okay, x here is 0. So, that's why you have there 0 dy. So, ito na lang yung natira. And then, do your integration. Okay? Use the general power formula. Substitute your limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Use your calculator. You can get an area of 36 square units. Okay, so yun yung gagawin mo if you're using horizontal strip. Now, how about a vertical strip? So, let's do the vertical strip. Same pa rin yung, same ang gagamitin natin na curve. Pero this time, we'll be using the vertical strip. So, sa vertical strip, same lang din naman ito ng points. That is 0, 0. This is 0, 9. Okay, this is your x2, y2. This is your x1 and y1. So again, if it's a vertical strip, this is the formula na gagamitin mo. Your limit is your x. So makikita nyo naman dyan, x1 is 0 and your x2 is, no, dito pala. Kasi, vertical strip na pala tayo. So, dito siya, that will be 3, 0. This is for horizontal. This is for vertical. So, it will be, this one, no? That will be 3, 0. So, this is now your x2 and y2. So, your x2 is 3. And then, you use the formula, it's upper minus lower. Okay, upper minus lower. So, what is the upper? Ito siya. This is the upper. Okay, so C9 minus x squared. Tapos, lower is ito, which is 0 still. Okay, 0, 0. So, yan 0. Again, multiply pa rin po natin siya ng 2. Okay, kasi if hindi nyo yan i-multiply ng 2, then, your limit here will be negative 3 and 3. Okay? Kasi dito naka 0, 3 lang tayo. 0, 3. So, from here, from this portion to this portion lang. So, that's why we will multiply it by 2. But, if you put negative 3 to 3, then it means hanggang from here to here. Okay, so half lang yung ginamit natin. So, we have to multiply it by 2 because the face of your parabola is, ano naman siya, symmetric. So, do your integration, use the general power formula, apply or substitute the limits, and then you can get the same value, which is 36 square unit. So, regardless if you use vertical or horizontal strip, your answer must be the same. Okay? So, I think this is it for now. We will have another example on the next video.